Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Gozney Roccbox Mantel. It's £59. Here's the specification from the Gozney website. Check them out now. Let's get down to it. So here we go, my first unboxing video. Okay, so as usual it's beautifully packaged from Gozney, so I got into that bit quite easily. Okay, so let's just take it out. It is an outer sleeve. Comes out really nice and easily. There we go, nice and slowly for you. And look at that, really beautifully boxed. Very nice. So let's slip it out of that sleeve. And what's this say? It's about to get mantle. Fantastic, what a good joke. Okay, let me have a look at opening this. It's really well packaged, and oops, well, that's so much for unboxing it gracefully. I'll just rip it. There we go. Brilliant. Well, I'm sure you'll agree that went really well. So we've got an instruction manual, and it's a fantastic quality. It's like a menu. It's like a really thick card. Okay, so let's open the box up and let's take the mantle out itself. And what do we see? So just let me maneuver that a little bit better for you. There we go. Okay, so you can see like there's some numbers on there, and I'll just lay them side by side. There's nothing else in the box, so I'll pop that under the table. It's absolutely really thick metal. Really is thick metal. There's no wonder it's £60. It's fantastically well made. It really is. It's not flimsy metal, this. And that lasering of the serial number, that looks fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. So there's the instructions and the care manual. Shows you how to clean it and things like that. Turn it over and you can see how to fit it. It looks pretty straightforward. There's no screws and bolts and things. So let's put it on. Okay, just push down, firm. And firm. Yep, just push it down, and from underneath clicks into place. Really steady. It's not rocking at all. So I think we'll have a bit of a closer look now. And it goes right up to the edge. It looks absolutely fantastic on the Roccbox. Look at that. Underneath looks really good. And the mantle itself looks like the pizza peel that you get from Gozney. So it's really well designed, just like the Roccbox. And it clips in with those hook, and it goes just over the lip of the Roccbox itself, of the entrance. There's hardly any gap there at all, so you're not going to lose anything down the gap. So it fits really snugly to your Roccbox. Okay, so let's get a pan. Let's have a look. This is a really heavy cast iron pan. It's just under the 5 kilograms, so it's not going to be dangerous for the Roccbox. And as you can see, it takes that weight. It's not bending. There's no dip in there. And here's the griddle plate that I also have. This is a little bit lighter, and it takes the weight. Okay, let's get it outside and get it fired up. So here we go. Flame on. Mantle on. Let's get a steak on. Looks absolutely fantastic. It really does look stunning. It absolutely suits it. So let's put the cast iron pan in and let's get that warmed up. Now it's warmed up. So we're going to put a nice bit of rump steak in, and I'm going to have a fantastic steak sandwich, one of my favourites, apart from pizza, which is my favourite. So I'm going to pop the steak in, and as you can see, that pan sits so well on top of that mantle. Now this is the best bit. It makes turning so much easier. Before, I used to really struggle turning with the cast iron pan in the Roccbox, but now with the mantle, it takes the weight and takes the strain for you. So it makes turning steaks, the chicken wings, the full English breakfast, absolutely 100% more easier. And look at that steak, absolutely fantastic. It's got a nice bit of caramelisation on it. We'll put that on the plate now, and then we'll go and get it cut up. So back inside, look at that. Just over medium, and that's just how I like it for a steak sandwich. I don't like it too rare for a steak sandwich. I do like it a little bit more firmer, but look at that, colouring on that's absolutely fantastic. I love the steaks that you can cook in Roccboxes. They're fantastic, really, really tasty. Right, okay, well, let's test drive the mantle with a pizza coming right up. Okay, pizza time, let's pop that in. And again, with the mantle, this is going to allow you to bring that pizza out and make turning with the turning peel so much easier. It's going to give you a lot more room in your Roccbox. Look at that, you can bring it right out there. Turns so much better, so much easier. And again, you can rest your turning peel now onto the mantle, and you can bring the pizza out if you wish. Just turning that. Looks absolutely fantastic, and it really does actually make a difference. So would I recommend a Roccbox owner buy one? Absolutely. This is the game changer that we've all been waiting for, guys. Speaking of game changer, please check my channel out and look at the pizza flour library. Lots of pizza ideas. So let's take the mantle apart, and you just push down and it unclicks. You just put it down like that. So all that remains for me to say is thanks for watching and bye for now.